equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the plug on your Dyson DC19 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward task that can save you time and money. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process step by step. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, wire strippers, and a new plug suitable for Australian standards. First, unplug your Dyson DC19 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is completely disconnected. Next, locate the cable entry point on the vacuum cleaner. You will need to remove the cover that protects the wiring. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the cover, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Once the cover is off, you will see the wires connected to the old plug. Take a moment to note how these wires are connected. Typically, you will find 3 wires: live, neutral, and earth. It's crucial to remember their positions for the new plug installation. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the terminals holding the wires in place. Carefully remove the old plug and set it aside. Next, take your new plug and prepare the wires. Strip about 1 centimeter of insulation from the ends of each wire using your wire strippers. Be cautious not to damage the copper strands. Insert the live wire, usually brown, into the live terminal of the new plug. Secure it tightly with the screw. Repeat this process for the neutral wire, typically blue, and the earth wire, which is green or yellow. Ensure that all connections are firm and that no copper is exposed outside the terminals. Before closing the plug, double-check that the wires are correctly positioned and secured. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once you're satisfied with the connections, replace the cover of the plug and secure it with screws. Now, it's time to test your work. Plug the vacuum back into the power source and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check if it operates smoothly. If everything seems fine, congratulations! You've successfully changed the plug on your Dyson DC19. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel service, you can have peace of mind knowing that help is just a call away. Regular maintenance and proper repairs can extend the life of your vacuum, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if needed. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.